Hey guys, it's Damon Capola here, owner of Wrap This Inc. Really excited going into 2019. Excited to announce that we've Wrap This has joined up with Enigma Fishing. They got some great rods, got some great quality new products coming out in 2019 that they're going to be launching. So really excited. Actually had a little time to get out today to try out. My style of fishing, I really like to throw a speed worm. So I got out today for a couple hours. After talking to Jesse, he said you want to try the HPT 7.6 heavy fast action. And I tell you what, lightweight, very sensitive, and solid backbone. I went from fishing some open grass to some submerged vegetation, and I will say this thing, it can get the fish out. Had a good time. Really nice rods, very lightweight, very high strength. Their motto is cast, catch, and repeat. I pretty much did that for about 3 hours today. I just had a little time to get out and caught a little over 20 fish, some decent quality ones. Didn't get that kicker. If I had a little bit longer, I was gonna throw out the old flipping stick, and but just don't have time today. But just did want to announce 2019 joining up with Enigma Fishing Team, and really excited, really looking forward to it. Let me show you what I caught. Tournament fishing, just some nice quality fish. Nice solid limit today. Everyone, nice solid hook sets. Nice solid day. Enigma fishing, cast, catch, repeat.